Hi and welcome to Getting Started with VCA. Here you can see the sign in button. When you click on this, you will have this dialog box pop up. Enter your credentials and click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will end up on the home page. As you can see, on the left side, you have a lot of menu items. As a beginner, the few items that you would be looking at are chords, tasks, and here AI configuration, business management, and reports. When you click on AI configuration, which is where you will start from, you will be able to see 4 tabs: relationship configuration, transaction configuration, line configuration, attributes, and config. We will usually start from transaction configuration and attributes and config. As we proceed in the course, we will start looking at line configuration and relationship configuration. So you can go ahead, click on transaction configuration, and then the transaction style mapping. So in transaction style mapping, you go navigate here, click on create new transaction style, select a transaction style name, and you may want to suffix it with your initials. Please remember to select roles. As a beginner, we will just select sysadmin and sys employee. Click on save. Select the newly created classification. Please remember to select transaction style and then click on save. And this is how we create our first transaction style.